Congratulating Israel Hans Golez on his achievement as one of the 10 outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines for 2022 held on October 19 to 27, 2022 at the Boy Scouts of the Philippines National Office, Manila. Whereas the search for the 10 outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines was conceived in 1989 by the late Education Secretary and BSP National President Isidro Cariño as one of the avenues to propagate his values education program. Whereas the search aims to recognize scouts who work hard to reach the advancement ladder, who live up to the ideals of scouting, and who epitomize sterling qualities in school and community leadership, academic excellence, and good moral conduct. It also provides an avenue for improving the image of the BSP as an effective tool for character development and citizenship training. Whereas criteria for judging include leadership potential, non-academic awards and recognition, academic proficiency, personality, and verbal communication. Whereas the winners of the search are highly regarded as worthy sons of the country, taking active roles in the community and creating positive impact on the society. Whereas Mr. Israel Hans Golez, an Eagle Scout of Boy Scouts of the Philippines Outfit 154, Iloilo Confessor Council, was awarded as one of the outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines in recognition to his hard work in going up the ladder of advancement and leading up to the ideals of scouting. Whereas aside from one of the 10 outstanding Boy Scouts of the Philippines, is also awarded as Gawad Fidel V. Ramos for Most Outstanding Community Service Project, Most Outstanding Scout for Community Service, and Most Outstanding Boy Scout of Western Visayas. Whereas Mr. Israel Hans Golez is a native of Barangay Cabasi, Gimbal, Iloilo, and is a former Boy Vice Governor during the Linggo ng Kabataan 2022 of the province of Iloilo. Whereas the award and accomplishment of Mr. Golez brought pride and honor and prestige to the province of Iloilo. That's the content, Mr. President.
Thank you, Board Member Palabrica. Floor Leader.
I so moved, Your Honor.
So move. Any second? Seconded by Valdistura, Gonzalez, Mundihar, and Soliano. Motion is approved.